She was taking his one squick of hope away. I won't tell, she promised again. Then I'll have to give myself up, Alex said sadly. The truth has to come out sooner or later. No point in you getting yourself hanged. Darren wanted to argue, but Alec wasn't making it easy. He was right about disobeying orders in wartime. It was treason, and traitors were executed. This is all Dr. Barlow's fault, she grumbled. I wouldn't have found out who you were if she weren't so nosy. She'd not tell either, but of course they'd never hang a clever boot like her. No, I suppose not, Alex shrugged again. She's not a soldier after all, on top of which she's a woman. Darren's mouth dropped open. She'd almost forgotten. The air service wouldn't hang a woman, would they? Not even a common soldier. They'd boot her out, certainly, take away everything she'd ever wanted, her home on this airship, the sky itself, but they'd never execute a 15-year-old girl. It would be too barking embarrassing. She felt a smile on her face. Don't worry about me, Alec. I've got a trick up my sleeve. Don't be stupid, Dylan. This isn't one of your madcap adventures. This is serious. My adventures are all barking serious, but I can't let you take the risk, he pleaded. Enough people have died because of me already. I'll go with you to the captain now and explain everything. You don't have to, Darren argued. But she knew Alec wouldn't listen. He wouldn't believe she was safe from hanging unless he knew the truth. Strangest of all, she almost wanted to tell him, to trade her secret for his. She took a step closer. They won't hang me, Alec. I'm not the soldier you think I am. He frowned. What do you mean? Darren took a deep breath. I'm not really a sound came from the door. A jangling of keys. It opened and Dr. Barlow strode in, her eyes darkening as they fell on Darren. Mr. Sharp, what are you doing here?